This is my 2008 Dodge Charger. I just rebuilt the motor. I put a 2006 block and rebuilt it from top to bottom, but now I'm having another issue. When I try to start it, it doesn't want to turn over. This is all it's giving me. And you hear some crazy ass sound. I'll show you. It wants to turn over, but I don't know what the fuck that is. If anyone could help me diagnose what the hell this problem is, that would be very helpful. I was thinking it was the crank sensor because they were a little different, but no idea. I just want this baby up and running. I even bought a donor charger. This one's a police highway patrol with only, well, here's the story. I bought it from auction for $500. They said it didn't run or start, but guess what? I popped in the new battery, got it to start, only 60,000 miles. A little beat up, but all I care about is this right here. If I could get this shit to open. 60,000 mile motor right here. I was thinking about just swapping that completely, but I really want to find out why this engine is not starting. So if anyone could help, please do. Thanks.